Welcome back. Now, Canva for Work does give us access to special fonts. So for example, if we were to choose a specific element, and then what we're going to do is we're then going to choose a specific template in order to work with. And if we start with this page, you'll notice that this page has a specific font. And basically, we can take the font that we have here and we can change it to any one that we have uploaded to our brand kit. And you'll see here that we have an uploaded font that we can change. We can use that font here in this area. If we want to upload another font, all we'll need to do is to go back to our brand kit. We can then go to this area that says Upload New Font. That's going to look to our hard drive. You'll then need to do the disclosure and then say yes. And then any other fonts that you want to have available to you. Once you have the fonts in your brand kit, what you can then do is you can go back to your design, and then you can begin to alter your font based on the fonts that you have placed into your brand kit. And all you'll need to do then is to go back to your menu. You'll then need to look for your brand fonts, and then you can make the change based on the brand fonts that you have uploaded. So Canva for Work does give you access to your brand fonts that you can use at any time when you upload them, and you can upload up to 100 different fonts that you find most appropriate. If there comes a time when you need to replace some of the fonts that you have, all you need to do is to go into your uploaded fonts, delete the ones you have, so that you can make room for those that you will be using. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.